Hello everybody, the pleasure to have you here today. Today is an exciting day and I would like to take the opportunity to give you a first impression of the camouflaged Taycan Cross Turismo. With the Taycan Cross Turismo, we wanted to offer another Taycan model that simply offers a little bit more space, a little bit more flexibility. For the Cross Turismo, we basically developed a completely new roofline. The CUV comes with roof rails, a bigger trunk, to make a car that is perfect for an active lifestyle, a car that is perfect for both urban environment as well as the countryside. We increased the off-road clearance. We adopted and optimized our whole suspension system, and the Cross Turismo comes with a CUV-specific driving mode, which makes sure that the Cross Turismo is doing pretty well on gravel roads in terms of stability, in terms of performance and dynamics. My personal preference would be definitely the Cross Turismo. I do really like mountain biking and I need a big trunk or the possibility to take my bike with my Taycan, so therefore I would go for the Cross Turismo.